welcome to Main and 5W channel. In today's session, we're going to speak something very interesting. I think most of you will be aware of the drones, and I'm going to speak about some of the future of the drones and how their utility will change in the next decade. Okay, the first important thing is to look at the global drone market, which will grow from $14 billion, which was there in 2018, to over $43 billion in 2024. So that's the growth you can see from $14 billion to $43 billion. Okay, so approximately $3 billion has been invested in the drone companies worldwide, and you could see that in 2018 there was a lot of peak in terms of 702 million were the global investment made in drones. So you can see that this is at a stage where it is just taking off and it will reach a lot of utility in the next decade to come. You could also see that the prime reason behind the increased adoption of drone is the availability of cheaper components, which is used in manufacturing, which can really help us to solve a lot of things from a drone perspective. So let's look at some of the opportunities in the drone ecosystems. So what is happening today is there is a lot of shortage of the good drone pilots, not only in developing countries, in most of the places. So skilling people in flying drones is a big business opportunity for people who want to really leverage it for a lot of interesting use cases. Number two, production of drones can replace DJI is a big opportunity for drone manufacturing startups worldwide. The current sentiment which is happening with a lot of countries like China gives a lot of opportunity for other countries to really focus here on production of drones. And drone services in the field of agricultural mapping, mining, surveying is going to really increase in the years to come. And the demand of software and data analytic from information gathered using drones is an opportunity for all the countries. Okay. Battery designing and manufacturing of drones is also going to be a big opportunity once you see a lot of approvals which is happening in terms of the flying and the aerospace, which is really getting cleared. Okay. You could also see that where do this opportunity lie? The scope of opportunity around drone not only will encompass manufacturing components and software, but span across training and data collection as well. Okay. So flying drone is not an easy task as it requires precision better than flying a manned aircraft. And as the size of the drone increases, the difficulty in flying will also increase. So increased demand for drone usage during a lot of this pandemic time has increased the demand of the drone pilot training as well. So you could see that a lot of things which is happening in terms of new way to really think across. Okay. Now there was a survey done by the Pricewaterhouse notes that the drone infrastructure is valued at around $45.2 billion, and drones and transport services valued at $13 billion. Drones in media and entertainment service valued $8.8 billion. In telecommunications around $6.3 billion. In agriculture is $32.4 billion, and it's also used in security service and valued at $10.5 billion. So it's also going to be used in insurance, in mining services, blah blah blah. Okay, so that's a kind of development we are seeing. Now let's take an example of a land surveying by drones. So you can see that government that land surveying through drones is also possible. Government has introduced a big opportunity. The same will happen to drones ecosystem, will include manufacturing, hardware, batteries, software sensors, even apps designed around drones. So land survey using drone is just the tip of the iceberg. Okay, you can see that once we go beyond the site of the BLS sites for the drones, the business opportunity is going to increase higher phase as you see. So globally, we're going to really see some interesting utilities which is coming out of these drones. No, they're going to grow in the structure, they're going to grow in size, they're going to go in size of the technologies like analytical AI, a lot of learning which is going to happen, self-learning. You could also see that wherever man is not able to really go in, so these drones can really going to help. So today it's quite used at a very rudimentary level. So we're going to see this is going to be something very, very interesting to watch for in the future. Okay. So just watch this space to really look at. So we'll keep speaking more and more use case as we go forward. Thanks for watching this video.